Let's talk about the Marcos and Manglapus families. When Ferdinand Marcos ran for president in 1965, he won over two significant candidates. There was Diosdado Macapagal, who got 500,000 votes less than him, and the other was Raul Manglapus, who got about a tenth of the votes that he got. A little bit more about Raul Manglapus. Manglapus spent his formative years at the Ateneo de Manila, and he got his law degree from the University of Santo Tomas. He was the national inter-university oratorial champion. As in, ang galing niya magsalita. He was a voice of freedom broadcaster for the USAFE during World War II. Manglapus was also a playwright and a musician. He wrote the lyrics to the iconic campaign jingle, Mambo Magsaysay. He also played in a jazz band. In 1957, he became the youngest Secretary of Foreign Affairs. Later, he became senator. In 1972, when martial law was declared, Manglapus was at the United Nations in New York and he decided to stay there. Marcos refused to allow his wife and his children to join him in exile. So the family was forced to flee using back channels. Fast forward to 1987, this was after EDSA revolution. Manglapus was elected senator. He had to resign because he was appointed Secretary of Foreign Affairs again. When the Marcos family was in Honolulu trying to get back to the Philippines, it was Manglapus' turn to say no. The Marcoses filed a case against him. This was elevated to the Supreme Court and was dismissed in 1989. Here's the genealogy angle. Manglapus was married to Pasita Lau. Pasita had a sister named Carmen. Carmen is the mother of Tommy Manotoc. Tommy Manotoc married Aimee Marcos in 1981. So, Manglapus' nephew Tommy married Marcos' eldest daughter Aimee. Next generation naman, there's a Marcos grandchild named Michael Ferdinand Marcos. He was the eldest son of Aimee and Tommy Manotoc. And then there's a Manglapus grandchild named Cara Amelia Manglapus. She was the daughter of Francis and Lynn Manglapus. The couple got married in 2017. This family wins the gold in resilience and forgiveness. Napaka-interesting siguro ng family reunions nila. O, diba?
Meow meow.